Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be demonstrating how you remove your acrylic nails at home. First item that you will need is acetone, cotton balls, aluminum foil, a cuticle pusher, standard fingernail clippers. So you're just going to start off by clipping the tip of the nail off. I usually clip mine pretty low because my nails are short. So once I do that, I then saturate the cotton ball in the acetone. I then wrap the cotton ball around my finger. Once I do that, I then add the aluminum foil. This helps the cotton ball stay in place. I usually leave these on my fingers for about 15 minutes or so. This process makes the acrylic very soft. So once I take them off, I then use the cuticle pusher to push the acrylic off. It's very easy and painless. After doing this, you might have a little bit of acrylic left. So what I do, I just take a fingernail file and I just file the little excess acrylic off. This is the second option that you can do to remove your acrylic nails. You can pour the acetone into a bowl and just stick your fingers in it for approximately 15 minutes, just like you would do with the other method. And then just use the cuticle pusher to push them off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell.